My name is Muhammad Iqbal Farizi Asia, roll number 24 from class 12-4. Today I want to tell you about narrative text. Firstly, what is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of writing that tells a story which can be factual or imaginative in a chronological sequence of events. Its primary purpose is to entertain, but it can also inform, persuade, or express feelings. Types of narrative text is fable, fairy tale, novel, folktale, legend, myth, tall tale, short story, and novel. Now, we next to purpose of narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the readers or listeners, to tell a story or experience, to teach moral, values, or life lessons. Now is element of narrative text. Element of narrative is plot, character, setting, conflict, point of view, theme, style, and language features. First is using past tense, using action verbs, using time conjunction, using adverbs of time and place, using direct and indirect speech, and the last is using descriptive words or adjectives. Now we move to generic structure of narrative text. The first of generic structure is orientation. Orientation is introduced the author and tells the readers something about them. Example, long ago in West Sumatra, there lived a poor widow and a only son named Malin Kundang. Complication. This is where the readers discovers the problem happens, which the character do not expect. When Mali grew up, he sailed and became a rich merchant. Later, he returned home, but he denied his poor mother and refused to recognize her. Next is evaluation. The suspense of the events, which makes the readers wants to find out what will happen. Example, his mother felt heartbroken and prayed to God, asking for justice because her son had become arrogant and ungrateful. The next is resolution. This is where the problem solved. Nah, example, suddenly a storm struck and Malin's ship was destroyed. Malin himself was thrown into stone on the beach. The last of the generic structure of narrative text is coda. Rounds of the story with a short comment on what happened or with a comment about the future lives of the characters. Example, this story reminds us that we must always respect and love our parents. So that's what I can tell you about narrative text. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.